Come, give me a hand.
Wait there. Pak, bagi so. Well, yeah. China kaya. Go on, my take on video. Yeah.
What's up YouTube? So it's currently the next day. Your boy is on different meds. Oh my days. Yeah, it was night. I didn't get to surprise him properly. It's even still in my trunk. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the build up and everything. And we're coming more Daddy Duty soon, and we're coming more car videos soon too. See me? More vlogs about everything, you know what I'm saying? Daddy Duties, cars getting built, we're on it. And but because I don't have a shop for Mustang, let's do some modification on the Durango. It's just so vanilla. I'm sure you guys will like, so comment, subscribe. And if you guys reach this far in the video, follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at _ If you guys reach this far in the video, follow me on If you guys reach this far in the video, follow me on If you guys reach this far in the video, follow me on Instagram. Yo, check. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys reach this far in the video, follow me on Instagram at Brandon_Chin. That's BRANDON. I'll just drop it right here. Feel me? Make sure y'all have a good day. Make sure you have a blessed day. You know, everything belongs to God. Peace.
Bye. I gotta escape. Dip off in a race. You come to the crib and get stopped at the gate. I'm getting this cake. I'm not